My name is Fabio. I am the founder of Homemade and Fabulous. I am a pizza maker because I am Italian. Every Italian makes pizza. The problem I was experiencing before I attended this masterclass with James, basically I didn't know how to get leads for my business. While right now James gave me quite a few very interesting insights. Previously, I tried to do something by myself. I tried to figure out what I was supposed to do in order to scale up a little bit my business. I realized I couldn't do it on my own. That's why I decided to attend James' event, because I really needed the advice from a real expert. The Business Accelerator is going to change my business because right now I have a clear idea of what I'm going to do next. And while until a couple of days ago I was really struggling, I felt a little bit lost. The best thing I learned on these 3 days of the Business Accelerator was how to tailor my audience in order to target the exact right people I need for my own business. I would totally, absolutely, definitely recommend the Business Accelerator to anybody actually, because any business needs more leads, possibly more sales, and if you really want more leads, you need to understand what you're going to do, and the help of an expert like James is absolutely paramount.